San Bernardino City Unified Families. I'm Gwen Rogers, the president of the Board of Education.
And I'm Board Vice President Dr. Scott Wyatt.
As we enter into our second month under Governor Newsom's stay-at-home order, it is important to thank all of the dedicated employees who have continued to support our students' education and nutritional needs.
Thanks to our teachers, technology teams, and other support staff, we are launching our new distance learning platform on April 20th.
We're excited we can offer this type of instruction to our students, and we're proud of our teachers for embracing Google Classroom.
We want to make sure our students and their families can successfully transition to this new type of classroom.
Here are a few quick and easy tips to help transition to our new distance learning platform.
Keep a routine Monday through Friday to ensure children are rested and ready to learn, and give children a well-lit, quiet place to learn.
Make sure your child has an electronic device to access Google Classroom. If you have not picked up a device from your child's school, please call or email them today.
Make sure the device is charged. You can troubleshoot most device issues yourself by visiting sbcusd.com/technology resources.
If you're still having trouble or can't log into Google Classroom, call the free cyber tech support line at 866-223-8685.
And here's my favorite tip. Use the time to reconnect as family, talk with your children, find out what they're learning, and share the things you were learning when you were their age.
Stay connected with everything happening with your children's education by checking in with their teachers and visiting the school website a few times a week.
It's understandable for children to feel bored and antsy. Give them grace. Encourage physical activity and creative outlets like singing, dancing, or arts and crafts. Go online to explore enrichment opportunities, which you can find at sbcusd.com/readysbcusd.
Thank you to our families and employees for doing your part to help California flatten the curve.
Remember, we're in this together.
And don't forget to visit www.sbcusd.com for all the latest news about San Bernardino City Unified Schools.